So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the focus in a video after you have already filmed it. You might have been faced this problem that your focus have been blurred. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the Photos application in your iPhone and open that particular video. For example, this one I have shooted, and now if I want to change the focus of this one, all I need to do is to just simply hit on this option of edit in this below of the screen. Once you hit the edit, just simply select the viewpoint, or if you want to change the focus of the whole video, just simply take this marker to the beginning and tap on the area that you want to focus. For example, if I want to focus on that one, now here you can see now all the video have been focused to that particular area. Even after I filmed the video, I can easily change the focus area of the video through this iOS feature. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.